around the scope and fare of mathematics, and I believe we will all have something to talk about today. So today we're going to be looking at a lot of things. So we're looking at dividing numbers by 9. You knew we started this together all this while, and I want us to make a finishing touch to some of them today. Although we cannot exhaust it, but we can always work together to do it. So I believe you all learned a lot from the previous video we've made, and I want you to open your mind again to learn new things today. And I tell you guys, I miss you guys all. I miss you guys, all of you. So we are going to looking at dividing 3 to 4 digit numbers by 9, and I want us to take a look at the following examples. So let's look at this example. 123 divided by paraventure, 123 divided by 9, all those stuff. So let's take a look at it very well. So we have some of our stuff here. So let's look at one or two things. So let's look at that 123 divided by 9. So we have 1, 2, 3 divided by 9. That's the question we have. So what to do is still obeying our laws. Look at it. Our law is going to still be the same way we did it the other time. What to do? You had the first number. So this is going to be 1. Our first digit is going to be in form of something like this. So this is what we have. So our first digit is going to be something like this. So I'm going to look at this. So yes, this is what we got. So we are going to be picking it one after the other. So you pick your first number, 1 plus the first digit is going to be 1. Our first digit is going to be our 1, right? Then the second digit, that the first number is our first digit, which is 1. So the second digit here is going to be 1 plus 2, which is what? 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, is not up to 9. We'll write it down. Then the third number is going to be 1 plus 2, that's 3, plus this 3, which is what? Give us 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So we divide. We cannot write it down because that's the last number. So we divide it by what? By 9. So how many times can 9 go in 6? Point. Put your point. Remember what? 6. Write your 6, 6, 6, 6. So that's how we run that. I believe there is more somehow simpler than the other one. So you just take a look at the example. Let's take another example under here. When you look at this example under here, you see. So take a look at some example under here. So let's look at the example. So and pick. Look at it. 342 divided by 9. So we have 342 divided by 9. 342. I believe you can see it from far. 342 divided by 9. So what do we do to that? 342 divided by 9. We start. What the first digit we have? First digit we have is 3. So put down your what? Your 3. So the next digit is going to be 3 plus what's the next number? 4. 3 plus 4. Because 4 is our next number. Look at it. 4 is our next number. So 4 is our next number. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 is now up to 9. So the last number here is 2. So our third number is going to be plus what? Plus 2, which is equal to what? 9. So we cannot write down 9. We divide it by 9. So what do we do? How many times can 9 go in 9? 1. So you put the plus 1 here. Remainder what? Remainder 0. Nothing is remaining. So you can write your 0. Remainder nothing. Nothing is remaining. So you now rewrite this as 37 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is, so we write 38. 38. You can write 38 is your answer. So the answer to this guy is what? Is 38. So the answer to this is 38, and that's why we have our answer under here. So our answer is what? 38. So 342 divided by 9 is what? Is 38. I believe we all got that. So we are going to move to the next one here. You have 456 divided by 9. 456 divided by 9. So we'll take our examples again. Let's pick something reddish. So you see 456, we have 456 divided by what? 9. So our answer is going to be like this. Look at it. The first number here is 4. You drop your first number, which is 4. Then the second number is going to be plus 5. You can see 4 plus 5 is what? Is 9. Then it is what? Is 9. So which is 9? Write our 9. I cannot write 9 down divided by 9. That will be plus what? Plus 1. Right? Plus 1. Remainder what? Remainder 0. You're going to remainder what? Remainder 0. So you drop the 0 here. Remainder 0. Drop the 0 here. So what do you do? The next number? What do you do? The next number is going to be 0 plus what's the next number? 6. 0 plus 6 is what? Is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. So you are not going to write the 6. You divide the 6 by 9. So 9 cannot go, is 0.666. So our answer now, final answer is going to be 4 plus 1 is what? 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Then drop your 0.6666 like that. So it's going to be 550.6666. I believe you got it. So definitely our answer here is going to be what? So answer here is going to be 50.6666 like that. So that is going to be your answer. I believe you all got that. I think it's very simple using the knowledge. Although we have somewhat a bigger number here, which we are going to take a look at. So look at it critically. So what do we have? The number is 978 divided by 9. Very simple, but a little bit tactics. Look at it. So the first number here is 9. We cannot write the 9 down. The first number is 9 because we are going to divide it by what? By 9. So 9 divided by 9 is what? Is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 0. Is 9. Remainder 0. So what do we do to it? 9 remainder 0. So 9 remainder 0. So what do we do to the 0? So what we do is to add it to the next number. So it's going to be remainder 0. 0 plus what? The next number here? 7. 0 plus 7 is 0 plus 7 is what? You can tell me. 0 plus 7 is what? Is 7. 0 plus 7 is definitely 7. We cannot write, so write 7. So what will be the next number? 8, right? 8. So now write 8 plus 7 plus 8. The next number 0 plus 7 plus 8 is 15. So how many times can 9 go in 15? How many times can 9 go in 15? 1 plus 1. Write the plus 1. Remainder what? Plus 1. Remainder what? You can tell me what's remaining. It's remaining 6. So how many times can remainder what? Remainder 6. So divide by 9. Cannot go. So you put your point. 6, 6, 6, 6. So we write. So the answer is going to be 17 plus 1 is what? 18. I think we are making a series of mistakes here. So let's clean it up and rewrite again. So we are going to take a critical look at this. Look at it. We are going to take it again. So how many times can 9 go in 9? So we have 9. We divide it by 9, which is what? 1. So that 1, remainder what? Remainder 0. Remainder 0. So put 0 here. Thank you. So what the next thing, remainder 0, sorry, remainder 0. So the 0 now, what we're going to do is to add it to the next number. What's the next number? The next number is 7. So 9 can go in 7, cannot go right down your 7. So it remainder what? Nothing. So next is to add plus. The next number is what? 8. Add your 8 here, which is going to give you 15. Right? 7 plus 8 is 15. So 9, how many times can 9 go in 15? Plus 1. Plus 1, right? Or plus 1. Remainder what? Remainder 6. So it's going to be 6, 6, 6. So the answer is going to be 1, 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 8.666. So that's going to be our answer. So our answer is going to be 108.666. I believe you all got that clearly. Did you get it at all? So let's take more example. Now we are going to 4-digit number a little bit. So let's take it up. 1057 divided by 9. So we're going to go on a long way now. Please take note of this. Very simple. It's not hard. So the first digit here is 1. We write our what? Our 1. Next number is 0. Going to be 1 plus 0 is what? Is 1. Right? Then what's the next number? Plus 5. So look at it. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. So what? Going to be 6. I think I got that 6. So what's the next number? Plus 7. Definitely 6 plus 7 will give us 13. That's why we have issue divided by 9. Score is more than 9 divided by 9. So 13 divided by 9 is 1. So write plus 1. Point. Okay. Plus 1, right? Plus 1. Now remainder what? Remainder 4. So 9 cannot go in 4 point. Write your 4, 4, 4. So we write our answer to be 1, 1. 6 plus 1 is 7.444. I believe we all got that. It's very, very simple. So just take a look at it. Take it one after the other, and you get to understand better. I believe it's not too difficult for you. Look at your class project. I think they are very simple. Unless you want me to do one for you, let me do one of your class project. Look at it. Let's take this 3, 4, 5. Look at the 3, 4, 5. Can we take that? 3, 4, 5 divided by 9. So the first number here is what? Is 3. So we now add 3 plus 4 is what? 7. Write the 7 here. So the next one is plus what? Plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 9 because it's more than 9. So how many times can 9 go in 12 plus 1? Remainder 3 point. 9 in 3 point. 3, 3, 3. So the answer is going to be what? 7 plus 1 is 8. So 38.333. And that's going to be your answer. That is your class project. Please take note. This is going to be your class project. So let's look at your own project. Your own project is very simple, and I think I will only help you to do. Let me help you to do the last. If I can help you with the last one of the questions. Help you one of the questions. Don't know. Let me help you do the last one. 100. Let me help you do this. This is very simple. How many times can 9 go? How many times can 9 go in 1? So normally you write your 1. This is going to be 1, right? So you say 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is what? 1 plus 0 is 1. Good. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then after that, what you do again is to add the next number plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 0, right? So, and then we know that remaining what? 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 9 cannot go because that's the last number. I cannot write 1. So 3-digit number have only 1. So divided by 9. How many can 9 go? Point. Point what? 1, 1, 1. 1 like that. So you continue going that way. I believe you have learned something already today. So we have learned a lot of them, so just take note of them and everything will be fine. So I still remain Mr. Promise, the math oracle. I miss you guys all, and I want you guys to critically look at your examples and do your home project and your class projects. I believe you are all good to go. Love you all. I miss you all. I remain Mr. Promise, the math oracle. Sign out.